The BMW E30 series debuted the first M3, with production running from 1986 until 1992. It was made in left-hand drive only and featured bespoke panels that gave it a muscular and very pumped out look. This model here was professionally converted to right-hand drive many years ago and has since been resprayed in silver, not officially a colour for this specific version. It's in extremely good condition inside and out, with around 145,000 kilometres on the clock. Even the interior presents in an almost new condition, aside from the fitment of an aftermarket audio head unit. The seats are nicely bolstered without being over the top, with period tartan cloth upholstery. Sitting inside reminds you how large cars have become. The E30 is tiny on the outside yet roomy on the inside. In this example is an original 2.3 litre naturally aspirated 4-cylinder. It features twin overhead cams, fuel injection and 4 individual throttle bodies for that trademark induction growl. This is what it sounds like.